In this lesson, we're going to take a look at changing the body. So you have flexibility to change the color of the body, which, you really don't need to, but you can if you want to. Right now, you can see here, the color is white. The background is, that. You can change that. Now, the reason why I say that you don't really have to change this is because with SP Page Builder, it gives you a lot more flexibility to be able to do that. So if you wanted to manipulate the colors with this, for example, you can do that, change the color to whatever you want it to be, the background and the link color. And then when you click on save, it's going to change based on your settings here. And you can see, it changed based on the options that I chose here. So this is pretty much based on, if you want to do it. But once again, it's not really needed because SP Page Builder gives you a lot more control. But this here is there for you if you want it. So that's how you can change, the color of the body.